what is the approximate perimeter of the sector? So we know that the area of the sector is 3 pi. Okay, so this information requires you to know the formula for the area of a sector. To review, the area of a sector is theta over 360 times the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. Okay, so we know that this is equal to 3 pi, and also the area of this sector is going to be, and we know this is 90 degrees and a circle is 360 degrees, then this angle would be 360 minus 90 degrees, or 270 degrees. So this theta is going to be 270 divided by 360 times pi r squared and 3/4. In other words, this is going to be 3/4 pi r squared is equal to 3 pi. Now what we can do is start simplifying everything. We can divide both sides by pi, so we have 3/4 r squared is equal to 3. We can multiply both sides by 4, so we get 3r squared is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3, we get r squared is equal to 4, and so therefore r is equal to 2. Alright, with that information, now I can go to the next step. So we know that r is going to be 2, here and here, and we also want to find the perimeter of this sector. That means that we're going to have to find this arc length plus these two radii. So the arc length, remember, is going to be theta over 360 times, instead of the area of a circle, now we're dealing with the length or the circumference of a circle, which is going to be 2 pi r. So we know that this is going to be 270 over 360, or in other words 3/4, is equal to 2 pi r. We know that r is going to be 4, so we have 4 pi times 3/4, and the 4's cancel out, so we have 3 pi is equal to this length. So to find the perimeter of the sector, that's going to be 3 pi, this length, plus this radii, plus this radius, plus 2, plus 2. So we get 3 pi plus 4. Put that in your calculator, and you should get 13.4. C.